What's up, guys? Will H Tech Review back with another video. As you guys see, the Mac Mini M1 is in the house. I ended up picking this up. If you follow my channel, you know I've been talking about getting the iPad 12.9 2021 M1 edition. But after some consideration, and also after picking up this great device here, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, I decided to go ahead and just keep this as my one and only tablet, especially after I added this keyboard to it. This thing has been great. I can do everything that I was planning on doing with the iPad almost with this device. And I just decided right now I just need just one tablet. So I need this for my desk setup here that I've been working on for a long time. What I was doing was taking laptops, plugging them into my monitor here, and that would be my desk setup. So a few videos ago, Jay Will suggested that I get a M1 Mac Mini, and just, you know, I followed his advice and did that. So I know they're talking about a new one coming out pretty soon, but I think this will be just great for me for the time being, for what I'm going to do with it. Now, the deal is Apple is supposedly going to give me $1,000 as a trade-in for my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, and it'd be kind of like a even swap. I'm having second thoughts about trading in my Z Fold 2 to get that $1,000, so I don't know. I'm probably going to just go ahead and pay for this outright and not worry about trading in, because I still love this device here. So I picked up the base model. I got the 512 gigabyte version. Here's the bottom of it. As you see, you got your power button, your power inlet, Ethernet port, 2 Type-C Thunderbolt ports, HDMI, and 2 Type-A, and you got an earphone jack there. Here's the bottom of it. As you see, it's picking up fingerprints like mad. And it pretty much still looks the same as the one I picked up about a year ago. So here's the one I picked up a year ago. This is the Core i3, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 250 gigabytes of storage, I think, 256. And here are the differences. The only differences, besides internally, they took away 2 of the Thunderbolt ports, as you guys see there. But everything else is pretty much the same. Everything looks the same size pretty much. The power button, everything's the same. As you guys see, Apple logo. This is the space gray, and this is the silver. Originally, this one was supposed to be mine, but this has become a Pinterest, Amazon, and Facebook, and all that unit there for my wife. So she uses that one. So this is going to be on my desk here. I'm going to show you guys some pictures of it whenever I decide how I'm going to put this on the desk, because the desk is still a work in progress. All right, guys, so I decided to put the M1 Mac Mini on top of my Insignia bass speaker there. Now, I don't mind the desk. The desk is not completely set up. Like I said, I'm still working on the desk, but here it is right here. Still a work in progress, but I'm going to leave there's my monitor that I'm using now and my keyboard, and there are the speakers. And that's pretty much where I stopped at. But I'm going to put it right there for now and maybe configure this desk. I still got some more stuff I want to buy, but this is my work area right now. So Mac Mini M1 is there. All right, guys, so the Apple Mac Mini M1 is in the house. Don't know about trading this in yet, though. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H Tech Review. I'm out.